So I got a Snorkel fitted and then recently had a car service, and they gave me an aftermarket filter to replace my Mitsubishi filter, and now I get vibration up through the Snorkel, out through the top, bad enough that I can feel it in the A-pillar and I can feel it in the accelerator. So I've traced it right back down, it took ages to figure this out, to the air filter, which I've replaced, and it cut half the vibration, put a genuine Mitsubishi in. And the other problem I found is if I push this down, it doesn't move. If I push this down, it doesn't move. These bolts here are holding it securely, but this one, if I pushed it down, it moved considerably. So I've had to put something behind it to stop this from going down. I don't want to put it on top because it will warp the box and then obviously air will leak in. So I'll put something underneath it, and now I'm going to assemble it and see if the noise is gone.